right, so here's our dead battery, and let's go check to see how it's like. So when we open the door, there is power. So here, I'm gonna try to start it. There's a clicking sound, and it's at 12.2 right there. Yep, the battery is gone. When we open the door, the light still works and everything. There's still some juice left, but not
the juice is enough to power the lights and other accessories, not
enough to oh yeah, and by the way guys, we parked our Corolla here and we jumpstart the Bronco, but it wasn't strong enough. We finally got our new interstate car battery. It's whoa, wow, there's the sticker date, 9/23 September. So this is still freshly brand new. And oh wow, look, it's made in Germany. Wow, I didn't know that. Here at Costco. This will also be our first time changing the battery. We're removing all of our zip ties that is connected here. And we are going to unscrew the screws here. So we finished removing 2 screws already. And the second one is right there. And we just lift this up. This is how our OEM battery looks like. And we're now about to disconnect it and pull it out. We removed the negative.
Yep.
And we unplugged.
So there's
there you
this
go.
wire here.
That connects to the black.
Yeah. So we just unplug it just to make sure there's no other like connection that may short.
Yep.
We also added this rod because it's tight here. We cannot really move the wiring everywhere.
This one is actually kind of tricky to remove.
Yeah.
So what did you do? You loosened some of the...
So I loosened this part.
Uh-huh.
This bolt, and then I also removed the bolt here. I don't think it's necessary, but I think that's part of it.
Okay.
And then what I did is I used a screwdriver,
and then
flathead, and it's just started to pop
out already. Finally got this thingy thing out.
Yeah, it's like a box.
Yeah, the electric box.
Yeah.
And we used this screwdriver to just
pry it
out, just nice and gentle. Yeah. Carry this out and put the new one in. Finally got our old battery out, and this is how the new battery is or looks like. Thank God it has a handle.
Yeah.
Right here.
Also comes with this.
It also comes with that cool case.
Yeah, we're gonna be using
it. We could clean it. We gotta clean it first. Yeah. And then we also check too if there are any wirings that may have caused our battery to die out.
I don't think there is.
And it looks like, no, not really.
Yeah, everything looks
And we didn't leave any light on too. We finally put the new battery in here. And it was actually kind of tough. 2 people really helps a lot.
Yeah.
Not unless you're super strong, so it's all good. All right, so we're now going to connect everything in together. We found this easy to connect it all back in.
Yeah.
If we tilt the battery
just slightly
that way.
Yeah, going inside.
And then you would have to push this in the terminal. We have all our wirings connected again. There you go. This is how it looks like. And we even tightened this part too. What does this part do?
I think this is the one that holds this.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Right next to it. So that one's all tightened. And
so now it's...
Now we just have to put the negative back on. So before putting the negative back on, we gotta put that wiring in.
There you go. It clicked.
It clicked. All right.
And ready to put here.
So we just finished removing the plastic cap. Okay, let's tighten it.
Yep.
So this is the moment of truth. And let's see how this... Oh, wow. One shot. Oh, man, it is...
Can we check what's the voltage now?
Wow, it is the battery.
Yeah.
Our new voltage right here, 14.1. There, we installed our new battery for the Bronco for the very first time.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it won't be the last time.
Because the only thing that is direct wire to the battery is the
trigger 6,
switch
and
the winch. I don't think it's the winch. We removed the winch as well.
Just to see.
Yeah, but then I I have a strong feeling that it's
The Trigger 6. I think it's old already or what? Or the wiring. Oh, the fuse. Probably something happened to the fuse and it's draining this out already, huh?
We are doing some test drive just to see how the battery is going to charge.
Yeah.
So we're just
right
driving
now,
around.
it went down to, or it was at 14.2 or 14.4. Now it's at
14.5.
no,
14.
15. So it shoots up.
Yeah.
Earlier it was at 13.9.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's at, but we removed our trigger 6 switches.
Yeah.
And our Warn winch is connected.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. We also got some fuse for the
Trigger 6.
Trigger 6 switch. So we'll figure it out tomorrow. Hopefully that it's not going to drain the battery.
Guys, just waited a few hours and check up on the Bronco, and it is at 14.2 at start. So cool. So we just bought this. It is the, was this the 100 fuse here, and we're going to replace our old Trigger 6 controller fuse with this. We just opened up our Trigger 6 switches right there, and then we're now going to get this brand new fuse.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put one in there. We just finished putting it in.
So now we can close it, and then we just need to attach all of this.
So we just finished hooking up the Trigger 6 switches to the batteries. It starts, it's perfect. Let's see if it works. Let's turn on some light. Oh, there you go. There you go. And wow, it all works. Yeah. Battery's all good.
And tomorrow again, we should check it.
Yeah. All right, so after the car settled in, the battery's at 13.8, and that's with the Trigger 6 switches hooked up. And maybe we should just press on the lights again, please. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if it goes down, or the lights are on, and yep, it's still at 13.8. Oh man, it's like the sun. Good morning, guys. This is the following day, and let's see how this reads. 14.5. Perfect. So we just got this at Jollibee. We got ourselves some fried chicken with gravy and Filipino spaghetti. Let's do this.